Rev up your engines.
Charles Black says, Scotty, I have a 2011 Impala with ABS issues. The light goes on and off constantly. Can I pull the fuse and drive without it until I get the money to fix it? Well, you can if you want. The thing about ABS is a very complex, sophisticated computer-run system. There are sensors on each wheel that goes to the computer. It decides if the wheels are spinning the right speed or not. And then it can pulse ones that are slipping if the brakes are slipping, if one's on wet water and one's on dry pavement. But when they break down and the ABS light comes on, the only way you can tell what the problem is, you got to hire a guy like me, a professional mechanic, who's got to get his dealer level scan tool, hook it up, and analyze the system. I just got a new one from a company. It's called the X431, and it's pretty cool. It's wireless. You hook it up to the car, and then you got the wireless little pad, and you can see the speed of the wheel speed sensors as you brake. You can see all kinds of stuff and read all the codes and see what the problem is. Unfortunately, it's often very expensive to fix those ABS systems. Especially in the American ones, it's often a bad modulator assembly, and those things can cost hundreds and hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. So a lot of guys will just disconnect them and live with normal brakes. Because realize when your ABS system is disconnected, it goes back to non-ABS normal braking. It's not like they won't work at all.
So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.